Hello friends, I am your friend and dentist Dr. Gaurav Gupta from Chikitsa Dental, and topic of my today's video is brushing tips for the growing kids. In my opinion, it is one of the very important topic for you to listen because most of us don't know when to start brushing for our kids. What is the best age for them to start the oral care? Which toothbrush is best suited for them? Caring for your child's mouth is important not only for the current health but also for the long term development. Keeping a clean mouth helps us to prevent cavities, infection, and gum disease, and it also creates healthy smile as and when the child grow older. However, your child's oral care routine and toothbrush should change with time as the child grows. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips to help you to clean the mouth as the child grows older. I'll start with the babies who are of 1 to 12 months age group. A baby's first tooth doesn't typically erupt until the age of 8 months. It doesn't mean that they don't need oral care or they don't need cleaning. It's still important to clean their mouth. You can clean their gums taking a damp cloth or a small piece of gauze and gently rubbing it over the gums to remove the food debris accumulated there. You may also choose from a very soft brush, or now we have options of thimble brush made up of soft silicone, and you can gently brush their gums using a very low amount of pressure. Just try avoiding the sensitive gums from getting injured. And for this, a damp cloth works just the best. Now we'll be talking about the toddlers, and the age group is 13 to 24 months. After the first tooth emerges, usually around the age of 8 months, start using the toddler's toothbrush to clean their mouth. When you go for shopping of a toothbrush, look for one that has rounded bristles, a small head that can easily fit into their mouth. Find a toothbrush that has very soft bristles, and they should not have a hard rubber liners outside the head because it may injure the tender and sensitive gums of the little kid. You can also begin with the flossing of their teeth once they have two teeth touching each other. Use a flat wide floss and apply a very gentle pressure to clean all the sides of the tooth. Nowadays we have option of floss sticks which are more convenient to use. And now the child is growing up, and we'll talk about the preschoolers whose age range is 2 to 4 years. By now they'll be walking, talking, and they'll be very eager for a little bit of independence, and that independence you should give them. By now they should have most of their teeth erupted, and they should be well familiar with the brushing and flossing techniques. Now is the time to start letting them have some input into their oral care routine. Take them with you to pick up the next toothbrush for them. Children love to be included in making decisions, and by giving them little bit of responsibility, you'll definitely empower them to make a strong decision. Make sure that the head of the toothbrush easily fits inside their mouth and the bristles are soft. You have to check for only these two things now. Since the children lack developed skills and tactics, we should look for a toothbrush with a little large handle that can help them to grip the brush easily. But now also, you should continue assisting the kids as they brush. At this stage, you should also be helping them to floss with a flat white dental floss. And now we come to the age group 5 to 8 years, the school going children, school aged children. Your child is a toothbrushing master by now, and the only thing they need to keep is making progress in choosing the right toothbrush for them. Help them pick up a toothbrush that has a little longer and little larger head than that of a preschool toothbrush, but still it should fit comfortably inside the mouth. See if you can help them find a toothbrush with their favorite cartoon character or superhero, just to keep them engaged and entertained while they brush. If you think they are ready, you can also begin to let them floss on their own, but under your supervision. As they approach the age of 8 years of age, they should be ready to brush and floss by themselves. So my dear friends, what are the take home tips for you today after seeing this video? I'll just list them one by one. Before any tooth comes in the oral cavity, we should take care of the health of our gums. Even a single tooth erupted in our mouth needs brushing. Assist your child in brushing up to the age of 7 to 8 years. Establish the healthiest oral care routine for your child. Be sure that they are brushing twice per day and for at least 2 minutes time. Be consistent in checking oral health of your kids when they start brushing independently. Don't forget to change the toothbrush regularly and at least every 3 months. That's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and take very good care of yourself.